Good morning, everybody. Hi. So it's VLOGMAS 3, and good morning. So I went to work already for a couple of hours, and now I'm on a hunt for a mop because we're going to get things done today, and I need a mop. So I'm at Big Lots, and I'm about to see what they have. Hopefully they have a mop. I'm trying to tell y'all, people don't mop their floors no more because people don't have a mop. This lady, I was about to park somewhere, and this lady just act like she ain't seen me and just parked. So I think she's waiting for me to get out so she get out, but now she's getting out. Girl, ain't nobody worry about you. You got that spot, whatever. God tests my patience every day, I swear. But God got me. The devil can never win. So let's get into Big Lots. Let's see how this goes.
Oh, I'm in a big mood. God, I feel you. Something will go cool in my body. Tell me will do. I'm in a big mood. God, I feel you. Something will go cool in my body. Tell me will do. Make it go December. Or something called it me jet. Get some things with the put on my head. I swear. Now you the cool in my stress, so yeah. Make we go December. Or something called it me jet. Get some things with the put on my head. I swear. Now you the cool in my stress, so yeah.
I'm in a big mood. Girl, I feel you. I know say I love.
Got a mop. Yeah, so they had a mop over here. So now I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree, go get a bucket, and get some floor cleaner. I actually have floor cleaner. I have Pine Sol in my house, and I have the Lysol floor cleaner. So, and then I have some other floor cleaner also. So yeah, I'm gonna just go get a bucket.
You, me and you, when you wake up, girl, you splashing on me. Yeah, look like sweat all on me. Like the design you did dripping on me. Maybe that's why I don't feel it. Yeah.
Oh, I'm in a big mood. God, I feel you. Something will go cool in my body. Tell me will do. I'm in a big mood. God, I feel you. Something will go cool in my body. Tell me will do. Make it go December. Or something called it me jet. Get some things.
Alright, y'all, so I'm back in the house, and as y'all saw, I did find a mop. I hope this mop works. I hope it's good. This is the Mr. Clean mop. I really hope it's good. So I'm about to mop this floor. Hopefully this goes as planned because I want to get things going. Like literally, like I really can't put nothing in here until my floor is clean. So it's like, so I'm going to, I'm trying to see what it says. I mean, it's just a regular mop, mopping, ringing, whole foam grip, plastic, twist, opposite side. So my mom told me she just needs to just use water and see how dirty the floor is first. And then she said to start mopping. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh, and I'm gonna make some chicken lo mein and shrimp lo mein, like later. Okay, wait. What fucking type of my business? Baby, because I was confused. Okay.
Now you do pretty much stress, so yeah.
I'm in a big mood. Girl, I dey feel you. I know say I love that spicy money, but I still want you. I'm in a big mood. Girl, I dey want you. Not only you.
Okay, so far it's doing what it's gotta do. Okay, so I still see a little bit of paint residue on the floor. Let me show y'all. I don't know if I can tell, but my OCD behind. So you can see a little bit of paint right there. I'm actually gonna scrape that up. See, it's like a little paint right, like splattered up paint right there. I'm gonna get that out. And then you just see like some paint residue, but I just used water just now just to, you know, see, like clean it up a little bit. But I'm going to add some pine sol, some bleach, and I'm gonna clean this floor properly with some soap. Cause like even my bucket got a little soapy, and I didn't add no soap to this water at all. It was just water. And so I have some like residue on it from like the cleaner. And this is the cleaner I use to take the paint up. I'm not too sure. Well, if y'all saw my video when we was painting, if y'all look at the floor, y'all can see it was mad paint on this floor. And I'm really proud of how hard I worked. This was like 3 days of dedication. I find it crazy how people ask me where I'm gonna put my bed. I feel like when you have a bedroom like this and your door is like right here, I feel like your bed should always be right here. Like, I was always told that your bed, the head of your bed should never face your doorway. I was always told that. Was anybody else told that? That's what I was told growing up. My head should not always be by the doorway. Am I making sense? I hope I'm making sense. But yeah. Okay, so I want to see how the rug looks. I want to see how big it is. I do have a king size bed, and this is what's going under my bed. I had got this from Wayfair. Looking at black shaggy rug. This thing is huge, I'm not gonna lie, and it feels really good. It does feel good. I think I use this. So I got the 8x10. This is the size I got. I got the 8x10. Alright, let me just show y'all what I'm looking at. Okay, so I think because purchase, so why I thought it was $230 is because I bought the rug and I also bought this projector. This was on sale for $80. The reviews was like fire, like it was good reviews. And I was originally gonna just use the projector for my room. But I think my TV is a 65-inch that's in the living room right now. And I feel like that TV is too small for that living room, because my living room is really big. And that 65-inch looking like a 25-inch in that living room. So I was like, I might as well put the projector out there and bring the TV in my room. So I'm gonna bring the TV in my room and I'm gonna use the projector in the living room. Alright y'all, so I had to go take a shower because I was getting very much dirty because I was cleaning that floor all day on my knees. And I'm about to get in this kitchen and cook. No. So I had to go take a shower, change my clothes. I wish I could smell me right now. Oh my god, I smell my good. You guys, look at my mom. She is so cute. So she gave me a bag full of chicken cutlets. She got them sliced, and then when she brought them home, she wrapped them individually in parchment paper and aluminum so I could put it in the freezer. And then when I'm ready to eat it, all I gotta do is take the packets out, put them in the sink, and wait for them to defrost, or have them sit in the refrigerator. And they individually bagged. Thanks, Mom. My mom is so cute. Okay, so I'm going to cut these up and clean them in lemon, water, and vinegar. Have it soaking, and then I'm going to come back when I have everything together. And I'm going to show you what I got. Be right back. Okay, so I have everything. This is the lo mein noodles that I'm going to be using. This is the broccoli. This is some ginger that I minced. This is some minced garlic. This is scallions, the green. This is the white. This is just some yellow onions. This is my chicken. I did season it. I just gotta mix it together. This is my shrimp. And this is like sauces, oyster sauce, some soy sauce, some hoisin sauce, some white rice vinegar, and this is some spicy garlic sauce. I'm gonna taste this before I put it in the sauce just to see where I'm at. And before anybody try to come for me, this is a cutting board. It's not just on the counter. Don't do me. So, and my rice is ready. So my lo mein in there. Let's see how it is. This is good, y'all. Y'all gotta follow her recipe.